It is like how you start at the age of 2 years. First thing what you can do is you can start even earlier when the baby wears the diaper. You can make the baby sit on the chair, the potty chair, and you can use the word like poop, potty, so that they understand. They get used to that word and then they follow it. So they'll understand the meaning that whenever mom says this word or urge after dinner or after any meal, you make them sit after 15 minutes because there is a reflex known as gastrocolic reflex. So when the food moves down, when they feel urge, and even you have to find out that what is the signs, what are the facial expressions of the baby. Some might, cross their leg, some might, grunt, some might squat. So parents should understand, okay, he's trying to poo. So that time you have to make him sit on the chair and diaper. And slowly, you have to make him used to do all these activities and never scold the baby. Always there will be mistakes. So what parents get irritated that he is not getting trained and doing all the mess. So that is very wrong if anyone is scolding, because he gets scared of that scolding and he will try to avoid doing that. And mainly you should understand whether he is constipated or not. You have to increase more amount of fibers in the food so that he easily passes. And you have to encourage him, whatever it is, whether it is bad or good. You have to encourage him. Okay, you have done good. Next time you will be more easy. It will be more easy for you. You can do it better. Main thing is encouragement. And often you can give them some rewards for doing it, so they will be happy with it. That is the main thing. Mainly parents should have patience to do this.